Thank you very much for your time. My name is Brian Trigalet, Regional Sales Manager for Wynn's Corporate out of Lakeland, Florida in the United States. I want to talk to you today about your transmission and more importantly, your transmission fluid. Transmission fluid has the highest detergent of all the fluids in the vehicle, which means one of the major purposes of it being there is to keep your transmission clean and operating correctly. The transmission fluid, however, has a significantly longer extended interval than that of engine oil. However, the maintenance and replacement of your transmission fluid is very important according to your manufacturer because the transmission itself is the second most expensive component in your vehicle. So maintaining the fluid in this component, very similar to that of engine oil, is very important. Our goal is to make sure that we can see the lifelong use of this transmission and this component. So keeping that fluid fresh and that detergency level is very, very important. Ask your service advisor today about a transmission fluid exchange so we don't have that heavy repair, that very, very expensive repair of that transmission. We don't want to replace the transmission. We just want to maintain the fluid and prolong the life of that component. Ask your advisor on why that's important to do today.